For more on the opportunities in nuclear energy, let's bring in Tim Gitzel, CEO of Cameco, a major producer of uranium. His company's stock has jumped nearly 20% in a week. Tim, it's great to have you on Overtime. Welcome.
Thank you, Morgan.
So I realize that you own investments across the nuclear fuel cycle. You have controlling interests in quite a few reserves. But in terms of what you're actually pulling out of the ground with uranium right now, the operations footprint doesn't seem to be very big. When we hear about the demand cycle and what this looks like over the coming years, does that change?
Well, Morgan, today we're matching demand. We went through a 10-year period after Fukushima that wasn't very pretty, I have to tell you, for our company or for the industry, where we overproduced. And so we took some tough medicine. We shut down some of our largest high-grade mines, and now we're bringing them back on as demand is calling for it. And so we're matching the market now, but you see, and you just reported on it, the market's growing very quickly. It's very exciting times for us. So we will bring on more production as the market calls for it.
Okay. And what does that timeline look like? How are you gaming that out, especially as a key region of the world, which is Russia, Ukraine, has some of the largest reserves, and we're seeing that supply limited?
Yeah, well, that's, since the Russians moved into Ukraine, it's really changed the game. The Russians were responsible for probably overall 30% of the fuel supply in the world. And so, you can't turn those big ships on a dime, so countries continue to buy Russian materials, including in the U.S. But over time, looking to phase out of that. And as they phase out, they're coming our way. And they're looking for more uranium and conversion and enrichment from the West. And so we're ramping up our facilities in Canada. We are ramping up our McArthur River mine, and we're looking at doing that over time, and then Cigar Lake. And so, as I say, we will match the demand as it comes.
Tim, between 3 Mile Island, Fukushima, and Homer Simpson, I think in the popular imagination, nuclear's brand has been iffy for a while. Are we perhaps experiencing a rebranding of nuclear happening now? And if so, what will it take for it to stick?
Well, John, you see, and I just heard your report earlier on the data centers and the hyperscalers and the amount of energy they're needing. We were seeing that coming before with the race to decarbonize and electrify everything. So people look at their options. What do you want? People don't love coal. They maybe don't love oil, don't love gas, don't love nuclear, don't like damming up a new river, but they want the lights to come on when they flip the switch. And so taking another look at nuclear, and, we have 94 reactors in the U.S. We have 20 in Canada. We were good at it at one point. We built them and built them very well, and we need to get back to that again, and that's what we're doing. And
so is your expectation that they are being built better, or should investors expect that we're just sort of one earthquake away from having to question all this again?
No, I don't think we are. I think we are. We've learned lessons, just like any other industry. The airline industry learns lessons every time they have an incident. So have we. And so, today there's 440 operating nuclear reactors. There's another 60 under construction. China's building. I think China has at least 30 of those under construction. We just opened 2 new units in Augusta, Georgia for Southern Company, the Vogtle units. Real success. We need to keep going now and keep building, because the world needs clean 24/7 nuclear energy.
And so we've talked about your stock and the stock of power players jumping on all the excitement investors have about demand. But uranium spot prices are actually still down something like 12% since the start of the year. What moves that?
Well, I think it just took a bit of a breather because we were on a bit of a tear. If you look back a few years ago, we were at about $20 a pound for uranium. Today on the spot market, I think it was 80 or 81. So we've been on a rip. We went up over 100 on some of the Russian news and other. But so we're leveling out. But, we see a really bright future. It takes us time to build new units. But we're seeing around the world, here in North America, over in Europe, Eastern Europe, China, India, all looking to grow their nuclear programs. And that's great news for our company.
Okay.